everyone. Today I want to show you how to change what this comma formatting button can do. So when you select your data and you click on this comma format button, it usually shows you your negative numbers in brackets, but sometimes it might not show that way. So for you to restore that format into your comma button on your comma style, all this button does is provide a shortcut to a set cell style. So that cell style is found in your cell style drop down. If you click here, you would see a comma style. So to change the format of what happens when you click this comma, you have to change the format of this cell style. So you right click on modify, format, custom, and you can choose the cell style that you want to show when you click on that comma button from here. So the cell format we're going to use is this cell format here that shows our negative numbers in brackets. I would copy this format code into the description so you can have access to it to copy and paste it into your settings as well. So I'll right click, copy. I'm going to come across here, go to this dialog box and paste. Once you click OK and OK, this will update, but not just this will update, any number you punch in that's negative. When you click this, now it changes to the format that you set here. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching. Enjoy.